This is Masalab Instruments Inc. Today we will learn how to replace the V1100 detector. You need to prepare a detector, a 12-gauge wrench, a small flathead screwdriver, and a large Phillips screwdriver. First unscrew the 4-bar linkage rod counterclockwise. Next unscrew the screws on both sides of the cover. First use your fingernail to remove the lid on top. At this time use a 12-gauge wrench. Unscrew the lock nut. After unscrewing the nut, we can take this piece off now. Then lift vertically to open the cover. Next we will proceed with the replacement of the detector. First remove the detector from the instrument. The sample is the detector installed inside the shielding cover on the left side. First loosen the grounding screw on the top. After loosening, put the screw aside. Pulling the shielding cover out reveals the detector. Then unplug the cable and set it aside. Next loosen the 2 screws on the detector. After loosening, the detector can be removed. Then install the new detector. The correct installation direction is with the plug position facing downwards. Then we align the hole position of the shielding case. Screw into screws. By the way, there is a yellow part on the detector. It is used to adjust the magnitude of the detector's dark current. Using a straight screwdriver to rotate clockwise will increase the dark current. On the contrary, it becomes smaller counterclockwise. If the detector is turned on and there is a black body, it cannot be adjusted to 0. The situation of black body hop count or abnormal noise during startup, that might be due to incorrect dark current readings. Adjust the dark current code value by adjusting this. After adjusting, plug in the cable. After plugging it in, align the shielding cover with the hole and snap it back into its original position. At this point, reinstall the grounding wire that was just removed. A screw goes through a flat washer and is then attached to the grounding wire. Finally, put this claw pad on the bottom. Screw into the hole above. Be sure to tighten it. The detector has been replaced and installed.